In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your OneDrive storage by emptying the recycle bin. As we know, OneDrive is a fantastic tool for storing and organizing your digital files, but sometimes it can become cluttered with items you no longer need. Clearing out the recycle bin can be a simple yet effective way to free up space and keep your OneDrive clean and efficient. First, you need to navigate to the OneDrive dashboard. To do this, simply open your web browser and log into your OneDrive account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard where you can see all your stored files and folders. This is your central hub for managing everything that's saved in the cloud. Now, if you look over to the left-hand side of the OneDrive interface, you'll see a vertical menu panel. This panel lists several options such as files, recent, photos, and so forth. You want to direct your attention towards the option labeled Recycle Bin. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the area where all the files you have previously deleted from OneDrive are temporarily stored. Think of it as a safety net, just in case you decide that you want to restore any of these files. However, if you're certain that you don't need any of these deleted files and you're ready to clear them out permanently, look up towards the top of this section. At the top, you should see an option that reads Empty Recycle Bin. Clicking on this will initiate the process of permanently removing all the files currently residing in your recycle bin. It's important to note that deleting items from the recycle bin is a permanent action. Once these files are deleted, they cannot be recovered. To ensure that you understand this finality, a prompt will appear on your screen after you attempt to empty the recycle bin. This prompt is essentially a confirmation request from OneDrive, asking if you're absolutely sure that you want to go ahead with this deletion. If you're confident in your decision, click Yes to confirm. This action will then proceed to clear out all the files in your recycle bin, freeing up space and possibly enhancing the performance of your OneDrive account. It's a quick and easy step to maintain the organization and efficiency of your online storage. And that's it. You've successfully emptied your OneDrive recycle bin. It's a good practice to do this periodically, especially if you regularly delete files or manage a large volume of data. Thanks for watching, and be sure to join us next time for more helpful tips on managing your digital workspace.